Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable the large print mode on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the beta features. So as you guys can see, it's in beta, so it might not be working good, but they should be working good soon because it's the beta feature and it's probably getting implemented to the Elipsa very soon. So as you guys can see, now we can enable the large print mode, and here we can basically change the scale. So now let's change it to, let's say, 120, and I guess that's pretty good. Now if you want to disable it, then simply click the checkbox and everything will go back to normal. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.